Today, we're off to explore one of Taiwan's hidden gems, the beautiful Sandiaoling Trail. Our adventure begins with an Uber ride from Shifen towards the trailhead. As we make our way through the winding roads, we're excited to finally experience one of Taiwan's most famous waterfall hikes. We got dropped off near a parking area close to the trail. Right away, we're greeted by a peaceful riverside view. Across the river, you can see local shops and houses lining the opposite bank, creating a charming atmosphere that feels worlds away from the busy city. Adjacent to the river is the railway line and bridge that connects both sides of the village. It's a beautiful spot to stop for a moment, take in the scenery, and enjoy the calm surroundings. Even before the hike begins, this place already feels incredibly peaceful. As we prepare to cross the bridge, a light drizzle starts to fall. Honestly, this wasn't much of a surprise since rain is quite common in this area. If you're planning to visit Sandiaoling Trail, it's always a good idea to bring a rain jacket or umbrella just in case. After crossing the bridge, we find ourselves surrounded by several local shops and dining spots. If you're feeling hungry, this is a great place to grab a meal before starting the hike. For us, we decided to enjoy a quick bite at a hidden cafe tucked away near the trail entrance. With our energy topped up, it's finally time to begin the adventure. The trail starts with a series of stone steps hidden behind a cluster of old village buildings. It almost feels like you're transitioning from a traditional Taiwanese village into a completely different world dominated by nature. The first set of steps may seem challenging, especially if you're not used to hiking, but don't rush. Take your time, enjoy the surroundings, and appreciate the gradual change in scenery.
maputik. Maputik dito. Ingat ka. Madulas.
At the top of the staircase, we're rewarded with beautiful views of the surrounding mountains. The trail transitions into a rocky path, offering a nice break after the climb. As we continue, we occasionally encounter fellow hikers making their way through the trail. Everyone seems to be enjoying the same peaceful escape into nature. One thing we quickly notice is that every section of this hike presents a small challenge, but each challenge is rewarded with incredible scenery. Gradually, the trail begins to feel more natural and untouched. The paved sections become less frequent, replaced by uneven rocky paths, dirt trails, and narrow passages that sometimes require us to crouch slightly to get through. Despite feeling wild and adventurous, the trail is actually very well maintained. It's easy to see why this hike is popular among both locals and visitors looking for a unique outdoor experience.
Kaya ma, ingat ka. Apat mo maigi or apaan mo yung ugat.
At one point, we enter a section that almost resembles a miniature bamboo forest. The tall stalks surrounding the path create a peaceful atmosphere as we continue deeper into the mountains. Although the trail is still wet from the rain, it remains relatively safe. Just be sure to watch your footing and stay attentive, especially on the slippery sections.
Diyan na. House.
Soon we arrive at a viewing platform overlooking one of Sandiaoling's famous waterfalls. The view is absolutely stunning. The powerful flow of water cascading down the cliffs creates an incredible sight. Combined with the sounds of nature and the cool mountain air, it's a truly relaxing and surreal experience. Of course, we spend some time here taking photos and simply appreciating the beauty of the falls. After soaking in the views, we continue deeper into the trail. A short while later, we reach a suspension bridge that we need to cross. Although it's not very long, it adds a fun sense of adventure to the hike.
kabila.
On the other side, the trail starts becoming a little more challenging. We find ourselves navigating larger steps, rocky terrain, and narrow passages. Every now and then, hidden viewpoints appear between the trees, revealing beautiful glimpses of the surrounding valleys and mountains. Streams flow alongside portions of the trail, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. As we continue climbing, the adventure becomes even more exciting.
Sige, hawak kita.
Located in New Taipei City, Sandiaoling is a small mountain area rich in both natural beauty and cultural heritage. Long before it became a popular hiking destination, this region was known for its coal mining industry. During the late 1800s and throughout much of the 20th century, coal mining played a major role in the development of northeastern Taiwan, and Sandiaoling was one of the many communities that supported this booming industry. The nearby railway line was built to transport coal and connect mining towns with larger cities. As a result, small settlements grew around the area, and many local residents relied on the mines for their livelihood. The trails that hikers use today were once important routes for miners and villagers traveling between communities hidden within these mountains. As Taiwan's economy evolved and the demand for coal declined, many of the mines eventually closed. Over time, the forests, rivers, and waterfalls began reclaiming the landscape. What was once a busy industrial area slowly transformed into the peaceful natural environment we see today.
Ba, may harang. May harang. Sabi, hindi, akyat pala. Hala ko may nakaharang na kahoy.
The Sandiaoling Waterfall Trail has since become one of Taiwan's most beloved hidden gems. The trail winds through dense subtropical forests, crosses streams and suspension bridges, and leads visitors to three spectacular waterfalls: Higu Waterfall, Matyan Waterfall, and Pipa Cave Waterfall. Each waterfall has its own unique character, from dramatic cascades to tranquil pools surrounded by lush greenery. One of the reasons this trail is so special is the way it combines history and nature. As you walk along the path, you're not just exploring a beautiful forest, you're also following routes that have been used by generations of miners, villagers, and travelers. The sounds of rushing water have replaced the noise of mining operations, creating a completely different atmosphere from what existed here decades ago. Today, Sandiaoling stands as a reminder of Taiwan's industrial past and its remarkable ability to preserve and restore natural landscapes. It's a place where history, culture, and nature come together, offering visitors a glimpse into both the country's heritage and its breathtaking scenery.
Bangin, bangis, bangin, bangis.
Eventually, we reach another waterfall area. This viewing platform brings us incredibly close to the falls. Standing here, you can really appreciate the immense power of the water crashing down just a short distance away.
Ganda.
After enjoying the view, we begin ascending another section of stone steps. This time, the steps are much more rugged and uneven, so extra caution is needed.
Dahan ka.
A few minutes later, we arrive at one of the most exciting parts of the hike, the ladder section. One by one, we begin climbing the ladders. Reaching the top feels incredibly rewarding. From here, the trail transforms once again into a series of rock-carved steps equipped with rope handrails. Each step requires careful footing, but that's exactly what makes this section so memorable. The combination of natural rock formations and man-made safety features creates a fun and unique hiking experience.
Up. Sige. Kaya mo yan. Slowly, 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 slowly.
Wala pa tayo sa tuktok.
Sige, patras. Sige.
After navigating the rocky terrain, we passed through several narrow dirt paths lined with rope railings. Soon, we arrive at another spectacular waterfall. This one feels even closer than the previous falls. The roar of the water echoes throughout the valley, while a cool mist fills the air around us. It's one of those moments that photos simply can't fully capture.
Woo! Kita?
Once we've taken in the view, it's time for yet another climb. The path runs right beside the waterfall, and it almost feels as if the sound of the rushing water is encouraging us to keep going.
Ha? Aya! Uy! Uy, yo!
At the top, we're met with another set of rock-carved steps secured with ropes. Carefully making our way upward, we continue along the cliffside before reaching our next challenge, a log ladder.
Okay.
This marks the final major obstacle of the hike.
Sige, handa ka lang.
After completing this section, the trail becomes much easier. The steep climbs and technical sections give way to relatively flat forest paths. Surrounded by trees and nature, we finally have a chance to slow down and reflect on everything we've experienced so far. As we walk, we find ourselves talking and laughing about the exciting sections we've just completed. There's a real sense of accomplishment after overcoming the ladders, rocky climbs, and waterfall paths. The final stretch feels relaxing and peaceful, providing the perfect ending to an unforgettable hike. Eventually, the trail leads us into a small village, signaling the end of our Sandiaoling adventure. Looking back, this hike offered so much more than just beautiful waterfalls. It combined nature, adventure, unique climbing sections, and breathtaking scenery into one unforgettable experience. It may not be one of Taiwan's most famous tourist attractions, but that's exactly what makes it special. If you're looking for something beyond the usual city sights and crowded destinations, we highly recommend adding Sandiaoling Trail to your Taiwan itinerary. It's an experience we truly enjoyed and one that we'll always remember. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. We'll see you in the next one.